What's up, guys? Today we're in my 2015 Focus ST. This car is the ST3 package, a few other bolt-on mods. I'll list the mods. The car does have a Roush racing exhaust, and this exhaust does drone pretty bad, so you'll definitely hear it in the video. It's like just a very low frequency hum, and I'm actually thinking about swapping this exhaust out for the Cobb or something of the sort to get rid of that drone that you get at highway speeds and just like low RPMs. But it did come with the car, so it was free, so I can't really complain too much about that. I picked this car up about 3 weeks ago and have been having a blast with it. Super fun on the back roads. I mainly just commute to work and back in it, but just a very fun car. So what I have for you today is a point of view video. I have a GoPro session attached to my head right now, so this should give you the same point of view that I have when I'm driving the car, and hopefully we'll make for a cool video. We're gonna do a little back road stint from my house to the highway, so this should give you a pretty cool overview of how the car looks, feels, handles, and sounds. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll let the car do the talking. that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I did narrowly miss that dog, but yeah, that was kind of weird. If you liked the video, make sure to like or leave a comment saying that, and next time I'll probably pull out the 2G Talon. It's a drag car, and would be pretty cool to hit the back roads with that. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and like, subscribe, comment, all those fun things, and I will see you in the next one.